An unidentified Scooty with number TR03J-5046 was recovered at a forest of Dayaram Para area under Takarjala police station on Friday night. Takarjala police has said their to investigate and find out whose Scooty is it, how does the Scooty reach at a forest. Locals of Dayaram Para area under Takarjala police station are shocked with the recovery of an unidentified Scooty with number TR03J-5046 in the forest nearby the village on Friday evening. Later, the locals informed Takarjala police about the recovery of Scooty in the forest. Huge numbers of people gathered around the area. Locals assume that this Scooty might have been stolen and the thief might have hid it here in fear of getting caught.
Zaga bu mungke tabu jotono saima bu khumsak park ni jago kaisa go jaga no kalaijak go mohai jaga ro go mohai ko uskudur kalaijak mon khub wana ma sijano nga tabu sabling to khap to saima kho ab tabu sing aini yago yaferika tabu boron saiman chinai
nake boza no zaga ni no
anke o jaga ni no sthai di no ogana ona ni no
ni shinu mo
ani bu mungke ting de kurma.
At last, Takarjala police took the Scooty to Takarjala police station. Bureau report, Chini Khorang.